was a bill put into Parliament for a reading. It's now just past the second reading. It's called the EU Withdrawal Bill. And to me, it's the whole reasoning behind this fake Brexit, the Brexit that people were led to believe was happening, which isn't really happening, is so that the British Constitution and the rule of law, the system of law, and all our rights as individuals under common law are all about to be changed if this gets through Parliament. The second read was passed today, I believe, by 320 votes to 280 or something like that. But this, to me, is the scariest thing ever. I've been speaking to like a couple of my friends, my neighbours about this as when the Brexit thing happened, saying that this is what I thought was the plan behind it. What they're trying to actually do is bring all EU laws into Britain, and then they're giving themselves the power to dispose of whatever ones they don't want, change whatever they want, or how they want, whatever way it suits them, remove whatever they don't want there. They're giving themselves the authority within this bill to do that. And it's also what they're trying to put it so there will be a national rules. They're rules, basically. Pretty much, like what Theresa May was saying in the speech of the EU, it's going to be global rules, Now, in this country we have the rule of law, the common law, the law of the land. There's also the legal system, which is the law of the sea. Acts and statutes apply to that. Whereas under common law, the rule of law, there has to be an injured party. Obviously you don't kill, you don't steal, you don't damage someone's property, you don't stop someone from going where they want to go, they've got freedom to roam. And all of these laws will soon be gone. The common law, where we have to consent to allow the legal system to take force, for acts and statutes to apply, we first have to consent to that, to contract with it, because there's not an injured party. It will also have issues with civil matters, like if they can start passing all of this and, changing where it's rules and that, it'll pretty much be do as they like, when they like, how they like, start changing everything they like, and the common law of the land will be gone forever. And people are probably not aware of this because there's not been any publicity, there's very little been said about it, and it's probably the most important thing that could happen to this country ever, people's human rights, if they bring all the EU laws they're trying to do and then just get rid of what they don't want, it can mean that all our human rights that are protected under the European Union at the moment, they can just chuck them out once they've got this bill passed. They can change whatever else they like. The common law system will be gone. The law of the land. Our consent, to the legal system will be put in force, really, that it'll be more like they decide there's no need to consent, there's no need to do that, it'll just be what they say and how it goes. Now, I really, really encourage people to call their local MPs, make it known that you're not happy about this. This is the whole British system of law about to be wiped out. The common law of the land that's been around for centuries that protects us, as living beings, all their corporate things, all the, the legal entities, all of this will all have force if they change all of this, if they get all of this through. You must contact your MPs, tell them that you're not happy with this, you do not want them voting for this, you expect the rule of law, the law of the land, common law to remain in this country. They're trying to just dissect the constitution of the land. People voted Brexit because they wanted to keep our country and make it great again, you know that's why people voted. They didn't vote it so they could deceptively do what they want, prolong things, confuse people, use clever word salads to try and just, let people believe that they're doing what they're planning to do when they're already tied. They've tied us into the EU military. They're talking about single global, it's not about getting Britain back. This Brexit was all about getting our law system of common law and our constitution taken away, because there has been ongoing things that have been going with mortgage frauds by the bank. It's all down to the bankers and things like that. If they can get this bill through, all of the things that they have done and they have been doing for years, they'll have got away with it all. And people really have to, there should be a massive outcry about this. This is absolutely unbelievable. The common law, the law of this land, is applied for hundreds of years, and now they're about to try and underhandedly, deceptively remove it and give themselves incredible powers in Parliament to do whatever they like. Once they bring these EU law over, they're trying to make it look as though they're just bringing it over, transferring it to make everything easier, smoother transition, yeah. No, that's not what's going on at all. What they're doing is giving themselves huge powers to change whatever they want, how they want, remove the common law of the land, and implicate a new system. So I had to make this video. Please share it with everyone that you can think of in the UK. Even if you're not in the UK, share it. Try and get people talking about this, making people aware of it, because there's no media on it at all, really. They're not talking about it, and it's absolutely the most important thing that should be getting spoken about. Please do what you can, share it, contact your MPs, speak out about this, because it's going to be too late very soon. Thanks everyone. I really hope this gets stopped. I really do. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.